All right, my first product review. This is the Ryobi 15-inch 2500 to 3300 PSI max. I don't know what they call it, surface cleaner. It's awesome. I didn't think it would work. I saw the videos and all they had was straight pavement, not these type. So, and anyway, this is done yesterday. It's all white. See that? Beautiful. And I'm doing this right now. And you can see that line. And this is the rest of the house. I'm gonna try to show you an after to see how it looks. But basically, there's a huge difference between here, that's not done, versus there, that's all done. So I can't wait how this is gonna come out. Pressure washer I have is the Ryobi, but I think this is the one that came with the Honda engine. That's the good one right here. Heard great reviews about this, but it's actually really good. It served me very well. So at the front of the house, I'll have that done too. And this is the before. And hopefully I can get to it later on today. Yucky. Oof. All right, let's give it a shot. Absolutely awesome. So it took me probably 2 days to finish because I got lazy. But anyway, the 15-inch Ryobi surface cleaner really works. You can see. It's beautiful. In the spots where I couldn't get to, you can see the lines. So it really works. And you saw the video before of how it looks like. This backyard looks brand new, which is completely awesome. Let me walk back to the front. I took a video of it before it was done. Wanted to show you a before and after. Here you go. Beautiful. Before and after. Well worth the investment. You use it once, probably put it away for the next 2 to 3 years, then bring it back to life again.